Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the KRYPTX UV ultrasonic retainer cleaner machine. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get the box open, instruction manual, main machine, there's a kind of tweezer piece, and then inside here you'll have a USB-C plug cable, which is nice. It's great that this can be used on USB-C. A lot of these have specialized kind of ports. That's going to be our piece right there. And something that I actually really like about this, first you'll be able to kind of drop in a toothbrush for cleaning as well through here. But what I really like is this feature. You don't necessarily need this. I mean, you can use it if you don't mind sticking your finger in, but this will pull up the retainer because the retainer will be right on there. So what I do recommend is, just due to shipping, I would rinse this out or do whatever. You will see a max line in there. Hopefully you see that. So we'll go ahead and get this tested out. All right, so using the plug-in cord now, you'll have a couple modes. Turn on, just press it. You'll have your 3-minute mode, your 5-minute mode, your 10-minute mode, and your UV. Now you'll see I'm not sure. It seems like once they're closed, all of them actually have the UV. So I guess it's kind of just the UV only for that. So I'm going to read that instruction and confirm, and then we'll get it tested out. So that is confirmed. It is just a UV only anyway. So I'm going to just put my thing in, retainer. I'm going to fill with water. I did that completely backwards just because I'm used to not having that feature actually. So we're going to be able to kind of just drop that in and lift out like so. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and close that up. As mentioned, I can stick my toothbrush in there if needed. I'm not going to in this case, but I'm going to set it and I'm going to run the 10-minute. It does help when I plug it in. All right, so we're plugged in now. We're going to run it for the 10 minutes. You will hear a little bit of noise. I know they talk about this kind of being sleep quiet, but there is some noise here. So just be aware of that. So we'll let it run and then we'll give you the feedback after. So when they're done, like I said, the best part about this is I can just simply put my hands in and grab like this. And then, if I had a free hand, I would just pull the, and I guess I can set it up like this to kind of demonstrate. I could literally just pull this right off very easily, shake it out, and then put it away in its container. So to me, this thing is totally awesome. I absolutely, it's such a minor feature, but it's an awesome feature if you deal with this on a daily basis. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.